I'm from the Netherlands, and I'm very glad that during the Dutch presidency we could work on a pact for the cities, European cities, but EPP should not forget that most of our voters come from rural areas and smaller cities. So I'm very glad also that the next step will be that we make an own approach for smart villages, smart communities. Because in the new age of the digital services and new products, circular economy, these villages are extremely important to be the leaders in change. Europe wants to be a greener, sustainable and competitive. And there we need the villages. And me, together with Franc Bogovič, have taken initiatives. So let's look for the future.